Hi everyone, and welcome back to this course where we learn Fusion 360 together. In this video, I want to show you this tool that is called Loft. In the previous video, we looked at Revolve and Sweep, so now I'm going to show you the Loft. This one connects two sketches or two profiles together and combine them in one body. So I'll show you how that is implemented and how that works. By the way, if you're new here, this is a full course series. I've added all the videos in one playlist. So I recommend you start from the beginning. Now let's go ahead and do the loft. So I'm going to start a new sketch. And first here, I'm going to do a rectangular and let's just do a square here. I'm going to click finish sketch. Now I'm going to extrude this square about, let's go 25. And this is just so I can get another surface where I want to sketch. So I'm going to do another sketch. And this time I'm going to start on top of this square. And this time, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to draw this circle. And let's just do, let's see if we can get, let's see here, maybe. Okay, so that looks good here. I just want to demo this. Now I'm going to undo my extrude. So let's do that. I'm going to select this and I'm going to do negative 25. So I just can go back down. You can see my sketches were hidden because I did the extrude. So I can go under sketch and enable them again. So here under the sketch, you can just turn this eye on and off to see the sketches. And now we can actually do our loft. So I'm going to go create and I'm going to choose a loft. Now it's going to tell me to choose the first profile, which is this square. And my second profile is going to be this circle. And you can see it already gave me that shape. I'm going to click OK. You can see here on the Loft menu, I have some other properties that I can mess with. But for now, I'm going to click OK. And there you have it. I'm going to turn off those sketches so it becomes more visible. And I am going to zoom in. Let's orbit around this so you can see. And this is how Loft works. This is it for this one. I will keep this video short. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.